Hello everyone, my name is Dinesh Sharma and in this video I'm going to discuss 377 common idioms with you and their meaning. But before we delve deep into the idioms and meanings, let's find out what an idiom is. Idiom is a common expression and popular expression which creates a meaning different from the words used in it. An idiom is an expression or manner or of speaking that's used in common parlance. Idioms are culture specific and may be based on the past history, not necessarily evident in the modern world. Understanding where the idiom comes from will help to understand its meaning. So here we start as idiom and their meaning. First one is acid test. It means proving the effectiveness of something. Action speaks louder than the words. People's intentions can be judged better by what they do than what they say. Add insult to injury. It means to further a loss with mockery or indignity or to worsen an unfavorable situation. After the watershed. It means a time when after which programs for older audiences may be aired on TV. Against the clock, being rushed and having little time to complete something. Ahead of time, something that happens early or before it is supposed to. All ears, awaiting an explanation. An arms and a leg, very expensive or costly, a large amount of money. Around the clock, at any time of the day or night. Around the corner, will happen soon. As time goes by, the passing of one's moment to the next, at the drop of a at the drop of a hat, without any hesitation, instantly. Back to basics, an approach that uses traditional ideas that have previously worked. Back to the drawing board, when an attempt fails and it's time to start all over. Bad apple, troublemaker or undesirable person in a group. Ball is in your court. It is up to you to make the next decision or take the next step. Barking up the wrong tree. Looking in the wrong place, accusing the wrong person. Be glad to see the back off. Be happy when a person leaves. Beat around the bush. Avoiding the main topic, not speaking directly about the issue. Beat the clock. Do something quickly before it's too late. Be in one's bonnet. Carrying an idea that's constantly in your thoughts. Behind the times. Being old fashioned. Bells and whistles. Lots of desirable features. Best of both worlds. Enjoying the advantage of two things simultaneously. Best thing since sliced bread. A good invention or innovation, a good idea or plan. Better late than never. It is better to do something late than not at all. Bide one's time. Waiting for further developments before taking action or making decisions. Bide one's time. Waiting for further developments before taking action or making decision. Big cheese. Influential person. Bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. Better to be satisfied with what you have than risk losing it by trying to get something better. Bite off more than you can chew. To take on a task that is way too big. Black and blue, badly bruised. Black and white, take everything into consideration and over simply simply judge everything good or bad. Black as night, very dark and hard to see. Black eye, bruise around the eye. Black market, where goods are illegally bought and sold for profit. Blackout, darken by turning off or dimming the lights. Lose consciousness. Black sheep, undesirable member of a group. Blackball, exclude or ostracize someone or socially reject someone. Blacklist, exclude someone. Blackmail, extorters take money from someone by threatening to use their secrets. Blackmail, extorter take money from someone by threatening to use their secrets against them. Blessing in disguise, something good that isn't recognized as such at first. Blind date, pre-arranged social interaction between people who have never met. Blood red, Description of something with a deep red color, blood, sweat, and tears. Something that requires a lot of effort and hard work. Blow a fuse, suddenly get very angry, perhaps over something unexpected. Blow up in the face. A plan or project that suddenly fails. Blue blood, from noble aristocratic or wealthy family. Blue collar, working in a manual labor job. Blue in the face, try hard to win an agreement but usually unsuccessful. Blue ribbon, superior quality or distinction, the best of a group. Bold from the blue, unexpected bad news. Bookworm, someone who reads a lot. Born with a silver spoon in one's mouth. Born into a rich and affluent family. Bottoms fall out. A plan or project that fails. Brainstorm, develop or think of new ideas. Breadwinner, person that is primary source of income for a family. Bring home the bacon, earn a living. Broken watch is right twice a day. Broken watch is right twice a day. When something is lucky or unsuccessful but undeserving. Buckle down, working hard with determination and full attention. Burn in the oven, pregnant. Burn the midnight oil, to work late into the night, alluding to the time before electric lighting. Butter up, flatter someone, usually because you want something from them. By degrees, something happens or develops gradually or little by little. By the skin of your teeth, only just succeed. Call it a day or night. Stop doing something for a while or until the next day or night. Calling time, deciding to end something. Carry the torch for feelings, having strange feelings for someone who cannot be yours. Cash cow, having strong feelings for someone who cannot be yours. Cash cow, dependable source of income. Cat burglar, thief who climbs into buildings. Catch someone at a bad time. When it is convenient, catch someone red handed. Catch someone in the act of committing a crime or doing something they shouldn't. Chance one's arm, deciding to do something even though the chances of success are slim or unknown. Choose rainbows, try to achieve something that is very difficult, impossible, or very desirable. Chase rainbows. Chase rainbows. Try to achieve something that is very difficult, impossible, or very desirable. Chase your trail. Spend a lot of time and energy but achieving nothing. Cheesy. Tacky, silly, inauthentic, or cheap. Clock in, clock out. Record the time of arrival and the time of departure. Close to home. A comment that is true and makes you uncomfortable. Cold shoulder. Pay no attention. Coming of age. When something develops completely and reached maturity. When a child becomes an adult. Cook someone's goose. Spoil the person's chance of success. Copycat. Someone who copies the work of another. Costs an arm and a leg. When something is very expensive. Couch potato. Lazy person. Couch potato. Lazy person who watches too much TV. Cover a lot of ground. Complete a lot of work or a wide range of things. Crack of dawn. Very early in the morning. The first moments of sunrise. Cross that bridge when you come to it. Deal with the problem if and when it becomes necessary, not before. Crunch time, when an important decision needs to be made. Cry over spilt milk. Complain about a loss from the past. Curiosity killed the cat. Being inquisitive can lead you into an unpleasant or dangerous situation. Cut corners, when something is done quickly and typically badly to save money. Cut one's own throat, doing something that will cause your own failure or downfall. Cut the mustard, to succeed, to come up to expectations adequate enough to compete or participate. Cut to the chase, getting to the point. Day to day, part of usual routine. Days are numbered, expected to be in a role or to die soon. Dead duck, plan or event that has failed or is certain to fail and therefore not worth discussing. Dead in the water, plan or project that has ceased to function and is not expected to reactivate. Dead wood, people or things that are no longer useful or necessary. Deep down, describing what a person really feels deep inside them. Deliver the goods. Do what is expected or required. Devil's advocate, to present a counter argument. Do time, serve time, spend a time in prison. Donkey's years, a very long period of time. Don't count your chickens before they are hatched. Don't make plans for something that might not happen. Don't give up the day job. You are not very good at something. You could definitely not do it professionally. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Don't make something dependent on only one thing. Double date. Social interaction that involves two couples. Drastic times call for drastic measures. When you are extremely desperate, you need to take drastic actions. Drawing a blank. Get no response from someone when you ask them a question or to have no answer yourself. Drop out. Stop attending school before it is too late. It is time. Drop out. Stop attending school before it is time. Dwell on the past. Thinking too much about something that happened in the past. Eager beaver. Enthusiastic and hard worker. Easy as ABC. Very simple or easy. Eat, sleep, and breathe something. Being so enthusiastic and passionate about something that you think about it all the time. Egghead, studious and is academic person. Elbow room, enough space to move or work in. 11th hour, at the very last minute or just in time. Elvis has left the building. The show has come to an end. It's all over. Every cloud has a silver lining. Be optimistic. Even difficult times will lead to better days. Good can come from a bad situation. Explore all avenues, investigating or examining every option. Eye catching, tending to attract attention. Falling in love. Start feeling love towards someone. Far cry from, very different from. Feeling blue, feeling depressed or disconnected. Feeling under the weather, feeling unwell. Fever pitch, when a feeling is very intense and exciting. Feeling, fill in the blanks. Supply missing words or information. First in, best dressed. The opportunities afforded to the first to arrive or present themselves. First out of the gate, being the first one to make a start at something. Fish out of water, feeling uncomfortable in unfamiliar situations, surroundings. Foot in the door, small but good start with the possibility of a bright future. For the time being, an action or state will continue into the future, but it is temporary. From now on, from this time forward, from time to time, occasionally or not very often, full of bees, excited or very energetic and lively, full of joys of spring, very happy and full of energy, getting sacked or axed or fire to lose your job, getting the show on the road, putting a plan or idea into action. Give the benefit of doubt, believe someone's statement proof without proof. Give the believe someone's statement without proof. Give the green light. Provide permission to proceed. Go belly up. Fail completely. Going places. Demonstrating talent and ability that will lead to success. Golden boy. Young man idolized for a great skill, typically in sport. Golden handshake. Large sum of money given to someone when they retire from a company. Golden opportunity. A very good opportunity that may never present itself again. Grass is always greener on the other side. The alternative solution may seem better even if that isn't always the case. Grease someone's palm. Give someone money in order to persuade them to do something dishonest. Green thumb. Ability to make plants grow or be good at gardening. Green with envy. Extremely jealous or full of envy. Gray area. Unclear, undefined. Hanging on by fingernails, continuing to do something in a very difficult situation, hard as nails, without sentiment or sympathy for anyone. Hard time, something that is difficult or to suffer hardship. having one's heart set on something, possessing a determination to achieve something, head in the clouds, having energy, having unrealistic or impractical ideas, head over heels in love, very much in love with someone, hear it on the grapevine, hear something through informal or unofficial means like gossip, heart it, heart is in the right place, having good intentions even if the results may not be impressive. Here today, gone tomorrow. When desirable things such as money or happiness are temporary, high time when something should have been done already and is overdue. Hit the big time to become successful. Hit the books, begin studying hard. Hit the nail on the road, on the head. Hit the nail on the head. Do or say something exactly right. Hit the panic button. Act quickly and without thinking in the reaction to an unexpected event. Hit the road, begin traveling or leave. Hit the road, begin traveling or leave. Hit the sack or sheet. Hit the sack or sheets or hay. Go to bed. Hold the fort. Have responsibility for something or care about someone while others are away or not out. Honest as the day is long, someone that is trustworthy and honest. Hot potato. Hot potato. Speak of a current issue which many people are talking about and which is usually disputed. Hour of the need. When someone really needs something, their last chance. In due course, everything will happen when it is supposed to or at the appropriate time in one's own time, taking as long as you want to complete something or completing something at your own pace. In someone's black book, be in disgrace or disfavor with someone. In the bag, something that is assured or a guaranteed success. In in the black, in profit. In the blink of an eye or an instant, something that happens very quickly, in the heat of the moment, overwhelmed by what is happening in the moment, in the interim between two events or something that is temporary, in the long run over a period of time, in the nick of time just before it is too late, in the red, in debt with your bank, to have a negative bank balance or to owe money to the bank, in the right place at the right time when something happens fortuitously or when given an unexpected opportunity, in the wrong place at the wrong time when something unlucky happens that would not normally have happened, in tune with someone on the same wavelength, have the same ideas and be in agreement with someone else. It takes two to tango. Actions or communications need more than one person. Itchy feet, strong impulse to travel or go somewhere. Judge a book by its cover. Judge something primarily on appearance. Jump on the bandwagon. Join a popular trend or activity. Keep something at bay. Keep something away or prevent something from happening. Keeping up appearances. Maintaining an outward show of prosperity or well being while hiding your difficulties. Keeping your finger on the pulse. Being constantly aware of current developments. Tapped in the dark, not knowing the secrets of truth. Kill time. Do something whilst waiting. Kill time. Do something whilst waiting. Kill two birds with one stone. Accomplish two different things at the same time. Landslide victory. Overwhelming victory. Last straw. The final problem in a series of problems that leads to a bad thing happening. Laugh a minute. Someone or something that is very funny. Learn by rote. Learn something by memorizing it without thought or thought to what is being learned. Learn something off by heart. Memorize so well that it can be written or recited without thinking. Learn the ropes. Learn how to do a job or task properly. Lemon, new vehicle that has many faults. Let me see the color of your money. Prove that you can afford something. Let sleeping dogs lie. Leave a situation undisturbed, since it would otherwise result in trouble or complications. Let slip through fingers. Failing to obtain or retain a good opportunity. Let the cat out of the bag. Share information that was previously concealed. Lick one's wounds, trying to regain confidence after a defeat. Lightning fast, very fast. Lights are on, but nobody is home. Someone is stupid or lacking intelligence. Like clockwork happens at very regular times or intervals without fail. Like there's no tomorrow. Do something fast or energetic as if it were the last opportunity to do so. Lining up all the ducks in a row. Being well organized in preparation for something. Living beyond your means. Spending more than you can afford. Living in an ivory tower. Living a lifestyle that saves or obscure you from real world issues. Living on the breadline. Having very little income. Long arm of the law. Far reaching power of the authorities. Long time no see. Not seen since long time. Look at the bright side. View an unpleasant situation in a positive light. Love at first sight. Start feeling love towards someone the first time you see them. Lovey dovey. Making an excessive display of affection. Lump in your throat. Tight feeling in the throat because of an emotion like sadness, pride, gratitude. Make a long story short. Come to the point without superfluous or unnecessary details. Make my day. Something that makes me very happy or satisfies me. Make or break. Circumstances causing total success or failure. Make the grade. Be satisfactory or at an accepted level. Make time. Find time to do something as a priority. Makes your flesh crawl. Something that makes you feel disgusted or nervous. Making a go of it. Attempting to succeed at something. Making good time. Completing something faster than expected. Making headway. Making progress in what you are trying to do. Match made in heaven. Relationship that is likely to be happy and successful. Method to my madness. Despite one's approach seeming random, there actually is a structure to it. Mile a minute happens very quickly. Miss the boat, miss a chance or opportunity, monkey business, mischievous or deceitful behavior, month of Sundays, a very long period of time. Murphy's law, anything that can go wrong will go wrong. Never in a million years will never happen. No time like the present. The belief it is better to do something right away instead of waiting. No time to lose. Start something right away, otherwise, it won't be finished on time. Not letting grass grow under your feet. Not delaying in getting something done. Not letting moss grow over. Doing something now or without delay. Not playing with a full deck. Lacking intelligence. Now and then or again. Occasionally. Now or never. Something that should be done now or it will never be done. Off color, unwell, off one's rocker, crazy, demented, out of one's mind, in a confused or befuddled state of mind, senile, off to a flying start, something that is immediately successful or has begun well, off to a flying start, something that is immediately successful or has begun well, all old hand, person with a lot of experience in something, old school, holding ideas that were popular and important in the past but which are no longer so. On the ball, when someone understands the situation well or is doing well. On the brain, thinking or talking about something constantly. On the rocks, relationship, experiencing problems. On time, not being late or something happening at the expected time. Once in a blue moon, happens very rarely or once in a lifetime. Once upon a time, something that happened a long time ago. Only time will tell. The truth, answer, or result will be revealed at some future point. Out of the blue, appear suddenly from nowhere and without warning. Out of the red, no longer in debt. Out of time, no time left to do something or at set time has been reached. Or a set time has been reached. Paint the town red. Go out and have a really good time at a party. Go out and have a really good time at a party. Paint the town red. Pass with flying colors. Pass with a high score. Penny Penny for your thoughts. A way of asking what someone is thinking. Picture paints 1,000 words. Visual presentations are more descriptive than words. Piece of cake. A job, task, or other activity that is easy, so or simple. Pitch blank. Very dark with zero or almost zero visibility. Place in the sun. A position that provides you all the success and happiness you want. Pop the question. Propose marriage to someone. Pot calling the kettle black. Hypocritically criticize or accuse someone else is as guilty as the person criticizing. Pressed for time. Being rushed or not having enough time to complete something. Proud as a peacock. Very proud. Pull the plug. Terminate or discontinue something. Pull wool over other people's eyes. Deceive someone into thinking well of them. Punch above one's weight, performing beyond your ability, puppy love, temporary infatuation between young people. Put it in black and white, write down for confirmation or evidence. Put your thinking cap on, engage your mind and think in a serious manner. Rags to riches, becoming very rich while starting very poor. Raining cats and dogs, raining heavily, very heavily. Raise the white flag, accept defeat and surrender to the other party. Raring to go, being very eager or enthusiastic about the time, about the idea. Rat race, exhausting and repetitive routine. Red flag, a signal or indication that something is not working properly of correctly or correctly. Red herring, unimportant matter that misleads and draws attention away. Red hot, new and exciting, creating much demand. Red in the face, embarrassed. Red tape, set of rules or regulations that slow or stop progress. Red eye, journey that leaves late in the night and arrives early in the morning. Red road hog, dangerous driver. Road hog, dangerous driver. Roll out the red carpet. Greet a person with great respect and give them a big warm welcome. Sail through something, being successful as something without difficulty. Sail through something, being successful as something without difficulty. Save time. Do something quickly or in a way that allows time for other things. School of hard knocks. Learning through difficult experiences as opposed to formal classroom education. School of thought, particularly because particular philosophy or way of thinking about something. Schoolboy error, very basic or foolish mistake. Seeing eye to eye, two or more people agree on something. Seeing red, react with uncontrollable rage. Sell ice to Eskimos, persuade people to go against their best interests or to accept something necessary. Shelf life, the expected duration of lifespan of something, typically food or drink or medicine. Show of hands, raising hands to vote about something. Shown the red card, dismissed or told to leave. Silver screen, film industry. Single file, a line of people with one person standing behind another. Sink or swim, fail or succeed. Sinking teeth into something, doing something with a lot of energy and enthusiasm. Sit on the fence, unable or unwilling, choose or make a decision. Skip class, not go to school when you should. Sleeping or silent partner, person who has put money into a business or venture but who is not involved in running it. Slice of the pie, share of something such as money, profits, etc. Smash it, a big success. Snowed under, having too much to do. Sooner or later, something is certain to happen, but it isn't known when exactly. Sour grapes, pretending to dislike something you know cannot have. Spanner in the works, suddenly disrupt something by introducing something unexpected or unwanted. Speak of the devil when the person who you have just been talking about arrives. speak volumes, express a reaction without words. Spill the beans, reveal a secret. Standing ground, maintaining your position, standing the test of time, something that lasts or continues to work well for a long time. Steal someone's thunder, take the credit for something someone else did. Stiff upper lip, not showing emotions, storm in a teacup, exaggerate a problem, straight from the horse's mouth, from the authoritative source, stuck in a time warp, not chased for a very long time when everything else around has. Swallow one's pride, accepting something humiliating or embarrassing. Sweet tooth, liking for sweet tasting foods. Take each day as it comes. Deal with things as and when they happen. Take with a grain or pinch of salt, not to take what someone says too seriously. Be skeptical about something. Taste of your own medicine. Something happens to you or is done to you that you have done to someone else. Teacher's pet, teacher's favorite student. The big time, the top level of a profession. The moment of truth, when an important decision is made or the truth about something is revealed. The ship has sailed, a particular opportunity has passed and is no longer available. The time is ripe, the right or most opportune moment to do something. Thinking on your feet, adjusting quickly to change and making fast decisions. This day and age, these are modern times. Tickled pink, very pleased, thrilled, or delighted about something. Tie the knot, get married, time after time and time again. Do something repeatedly. Time flies when time passes quickly. Time for a change. Stop what you are doing and start doing something else. Time heals all wounds, or time is a great healer. Feelings of hurt, usually emotional, will go away after some time has passed. Time is money, time is a valuable commodity, payment is needed before doing something. Time is of the essence. When meeting a deadline is very important or critical. Time of one's life, a time when someone is enjoying themselves. Time on one's hands or side, when you can afford to wait before some doing or achieving something. Tongue tied, difficulty in expressing yourself because of nervousness or embarrassment. Too many chiefs and not even enough Indians. Too many people telling others what to do. Too much free time on one's hand when someone doesn't have enough to do. Top banana, most important person in a group. Top dog, most important person. Tough cookie, most important to very determined person. Tricks of the trade, clever or expert way of doing something. True colors, someone's actual character. Turn back the hands of time, reverse something or go back to a time in the past. University of life, daily life and work where you learn more than you would through formal education. Until hell freezes over, something will never happen, no matter how hard or long you try to do it, to try for it to do. Up in smoke, something that ends before getting a result. Waiting in the wings, waiting for an opportunity to take action. Walk out on something, walk out on something, leave a partner and end the relationship. Wasting time, doing something with no purpose. Well-oiled machine, unit of people or a group of things working well together. A whale of a time, enjoying something thoroughly. White as a sheet or ghost, in a state of great fear or anxiety. White collar, office worker. White elephant, expensive item that's costly to maintain and not particularly useful. White lie, little or a harmless lie told to be polite and avoid hurting someone's feelings. Whitewash, cover up or gloss over false. Whole 9 years, everything, all of it, with bells on, when you are delighted and eager to go somewhere. Wooden spoon, imaginary prize for the last person in a race. Works like a charm. Works very well or as expected. Wouldn't be caught dead. Would never like to do something. Year in, year out. Happens every year for many years in a row. Yellow bellied, coward. You can teach an old dog new tricks. People used to doing things a certain way that are often unable to change their ways. Your guess is as good as mine, not knowing the answer. So these are 377 idioms which I have read for you with meaning. I wanted to give you an example with the meaning, but in this video I want to demonstrate how you can read them simply, and you can do this practice daily to instill them in your subconscious mind and build a command over idioms, so that your subconscious mind will furnish or daily supply idioms whenever you need to use them in your expressions. So this is the practice you should do. This way you can read them, and every day when you read them, try to speed up your reading speed and develop your command. If you like my efforts and sincere efforts that I'm doing to serve the English speaking community, so please like and share my video and spread the word. Thank you very much.